When we think of Bangkok, it is inevitable to be impressed with the versatility and the charms of the perfect combination between luxury and authenticity. From modern designs to detailed traditional decoration. However, like many other big cities worldwide, the more civilized, the dark and unsightly corner to find. This video will show the potential of what Bangkok can be.
นี่นะคะ เขาผลิตจากดอกไม้ไม่ใช่ มาจากพลาสติกของถ้วยโยเกิร์ต
In this episode, you will learn about the core of what's driving creativity in Bangkok and the story of how Luna Ban got to be a part of Bangkok Design Week 2023. Stay tuned and subscribe! Urbanization. Let's make urban nice for us all. The festival presents ambitious ideas and new possibilities for Bangkok now and in the future. The event is like a playground, and the core idea of building a nice city for the nice people is by honing the people who are nice to the city. Bangkok Design Week is created yearly as a place for collaboration between designers, entrepreneurs, manufacturers, artists, and organizations to present their latest work according to the theme each year. In February 2023, the event gathered the new potential of the city throughout a variety of over 3,000 programs throughout Bangkok. Urbanization is defined into 6 aspects: environment, mobility, culture, business, community, and diversity. The festival, celebrated in the creative districts, ranges from experimental works to positively impact works on society and business. Because I hold a workshop this year, I can only collect some of the footage within TCDC. Thailand Creative and Design Center, TCDC, is not just a library, but it's a creative economy agency, a public organization located in the Jerangung district, over 9,000 square meters of creative space. The main purpose is to create new opportunities to entrepreneurs, to co-create endless possibilities to develop sustainable economic and social growth in Thailand. TCDC consists of Resource Center, Material and Design Innovation Center, Makerspace for testing concepts, and improve business with design thinking at Business Center. There are always exhibitions of innovative topics for different industries. There are several branches in Bangkok and one in Chiang Mai and Khon Kaen. Opens from 10:30 to 7 p.m. Closes on Monday. Moreover, TCDC offers essential knowledge and skill through the online course for free. festival celebrated in the creative districts ranges from experimental works to positively impact works on society and business. By providing fun activities and memorable experience throughout programs, showcase, exhibition, creative market, talk and workshop. The festival combined beautifully with the charm of Bangkok, attracted visitors from across the world to experience the latest happening in Bangkok. The previous Bangkok Design Week in 2018 to 2022 attracted over 1.75 million visitors. The impact is encouraged the creative industry generate income and bring liveliness to the city. A few years prior, when I first knew about this event, I was fascinated by so many beautiful designs and unique ideas. It felt like opening doors to unlimited possibilities, to see many young designers and entrepreneurs presenting their products and innovations. I decided that I would like to be a part of this event someday. And this year became that someday. I was almost disbelieving when I learned that my workshop proposal got chosen. I was both proud and nervous to be a part of such an important event and have the opportunity to help others find their true calling. Before I got here, it hasn't been easy. There are always a feeling of doubt and insufficient. But focusing on the improvement and experience gained along the journey kept me going and improving one step at a time. My impression from the workshop is the experience we shared together and the lovely feedback from my participants. The day filled with laughter and encouragement for one another. I will leave the blog so you can find more behind the scenes. I can't wait to see what opportunity Lunaban will get to do next, so stay tuned! The gallery invites everyone to join the discussion to imagine the new possibility for Bangkok. It's a long overdue problem, the fundamental standards all cities should establish, to find a solution to have decent infrastructure, making Bangkok a nice city for everyone, as well as create a utopia atmosphere all around Bangkok. These are some examples of the dark, unsightly corner that we don't talk about often enough. You can see it's all around us. We turn our faces when we see it. Nobody's fixed anything about it. If we can ask for at least two things for Bangkok, the vision. Can you imagine how different our life would be having the environment to travel easily and safely throughout the city, and how much great public transportation can decrease air pollution as well as traffic stress and time wasting in our life. How much leisure and joy we will gain. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and leave the comments below. I would love to hear your feedback.